Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I am participating in a challenge called Craft It 3 Ways, and this challenge is hosted by Kat from According to Kat, and her co-host is Coffee with My Sunshine, Casey from Coffee with My Sunshine. So I will be working on, actually after a suggestion that I saw on Casey's channel, I'm going to make 3 different lemon related DIYs. So stick around so you can see these DIYs, and I would like to thank Kat and Casey for hosting this challenge. I will have both of their channels linked down below as well as the playlist. So let's get crafting. So for the first craft, I am using a foam board that I had left over from a different project, a stencil that says Hello Sunshine. You'll need the pen, scissors. I'm using the English yellow chalk paint, some green, leaf green acrylic paint, and some black paint, and you will also need some paint brushes, and I'm also gonna use my stencil brush. So first I'm gonna do is I'm going to draw a lemon. But I want to make sure that I can fit the stencil inside of it, so I'm just going to mark off some points so I know that that has to stay in the lemon. Okay, now I'm going to cut it out. So I am going to just reinforce it a little bit with some of these painter sticks, just so it doesn't curl on me when I paint it. I don't know if I might use a popsicle stick there. Okay, and now I'm going to paint it, and you can use any yellow paint you have. I don't have any acrylic paint, so that's why I'm using my chalk paint. Now I'm going to paint the leaves, and I'm just going to grab some brown paint for the stem. I'm going to let this dry. It shouldn't take too long with the chalk paint before I stencil stuff on it. So here is my lemon, and I was gonna do the stencil with black, but I'm thinking I'm going to do it with white. I think it's gonna look much better with white. So I'm just going to put a little bit of tape so it doesn't move on me too much. And I'm just going to use my old white Annie Sloan chalk paint and my stenciling brush. All of my brushes are a little wet because I was just washing them. Okay, now the reveal. There. I think that looks pretty good. For my next craft, I will need these wooden balls, some rope, yellow paint, as well as white paint. And I'm going to paint kind of half and half, I think. So I'm going to paint these white, yellow, and I'm going to leave these as they are. I just got this wooden dowel just so I can put these in here while I'm painting them. So my balls have dried. Now I'm going to assemble them. I think this will be great on my 2-tier or 3-tier tray, and to me it represents lemon, even though it has really very little to do with lemons. I think these crafts are gonna be great for my summer decor, since I am going in the lemon way because I need the cheerful yellow color. So for my next project, I have this from Dollarama. It was $4. I've had it laying around, and I had an idea to make a sign with Mod Podge, just something easy. Just not sure how this is gonna work, but I will give it a try. I think I can make it work. So I'm gonna cut this out first, and I just printed it off of internet, like off of, I think it was Pinterest. Now that I have it cut out, I am going to apply a generous amount of Mod Podge on the back of it, so that way I make sure that it is glued to it well. just trying to center it the best that I can. Now I will make the cuts in where the cuts are. I just think it'll look better that way, and then I'm going to apply another generous amount of Mod Podge over top of it, just so that way it's on permanently. So I was going to distress the outsides of it or even paint it, but I absolutely loved the way this sign turned out. It was so simple to make. Love it, love it, love it. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. I would like to thank Kat and Casey again for hosting this challenge. I truly enjoy participating in these, kind of gets me thinking outside the box and coming up with stuff to do. So I do enjoy participating in the challenges. Make sure you check out the playlist. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, I would love it if you press that subscribe button and a notification bell so you don't miss out any of my new uploads. So until next time, hope you guys are having a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching.